Welcome to AI Offices. In this walkthrough video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI Offices to start your very own AI employees, AI HR, human resource agency, and start rebranding and selling AI Offices as your brand new SaaS product to other online and local businesses, giving them access to AI employees that they can use to automate and improve their business. Here's how AI Offices work. Once you log in on your dashboard, you can see all the conversations, all the details, all the companies, all the staff that you have created. Now, first thing you want to do is create a new company. So we go up here, create a new company, give it a name, give it all the details, select the category, upload an image, and click on create company. Now, once you create a company, you can see all the companies that you have created, and then you can launch the company. And in the company, what you can do is you can start hiring staff, AI employees. You go to the staff tab, and you can see all the AI employees that are available for you to add. And we are adding more every day. So you're going to have access to more than 70 employees that you can use on your business all the time. So let's try and hire a journalist, or let's do a YouTube expert. Now you can customize the staff if you want for your white label, and then you can choose a voice that you're going to use your staff to speak in. The company, we want to create a YouTube department for all YouTube marketing. And this department is going to be with the staff. Now you can add staffs to this department. Now you can add one staff or you can add multiple staff. For our example, we'll add these two staffs in the YouTube department because they both are YouTube experts. In our department, we can create a project. Now, project is going to be what the team, the employees are going to be working on. So let's call this project YouTube scripts, and you can keep that status as active, inactive, or completed. Next up is you can upload information about the project. So if you want to create YouTube scripts, what you can do is you can give additional information to your expert. So for this case, how to write best YouTube scripts. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take, let's say, this blog article, and I'm going to copy this and I'm going to give this to my team so they can learn and have more information about what I want exactly. I can also write my own data. I can upload my own data that these are the stuff that we're going to be creating. Once that is done, it's going to start progressing. Next you can do is start a chat, a group chat. So script for first week of, let's say, whatever, Jan, right? Now, once you're here, you can talk to the agent by simply tapping on this mic, or you can type your queries here yourself. You can even mention or even upload a file and ask them to study the file, give you more ideas on it. Right, so let's see. We want to have Vicky write a short script for us for a YouTube video. Write me a short story for a YouTube video for a kids channel about lion and giraffe. And we send it. And what's gonna happen is Vic's gonna start writing the script for you, have it all ready. Once the script is ready, what you would want is you want to get some tags, you want to find out the SEO, the description, everything. For that, we have Alex. Help me write a title and description for this video script, and also some keywords from the script. And what's going to happen is Alex is going to read the script and then write the title description, give you all the hashtags that you can use, right? So you have all of these, and Alex and Vic can communicate with each other, do their things. You can upload files. They can give you critiques. They can do whatever you want, and you can create different teams in different departments, like these different projects, and have multiple staff, not just two. You can have 4, 5, 10 staff, self-communicating, sharing files, sharing information with each other. And you can also do an auto god mode where you can give it a task and all of them will work together and just get the work done. Next thing, you can also go to staffs and see all the staff that you've hired, and you can talk to them individually, or you can fire them as well. If you click on fire, they'll be removed and they won't be accessible to any of the departments or projects. Now, the important thing with department and projects is like you can add more team members, your employees, uh, into the product, into the app, and then you can have them have different access levels or different departments. So again, you can ask Wix to create. I'm just gonna do it all for you, super fast, super ready, and then you can do so many things with an individual staff, and then you can also do with departments and teams that you create. Now, you can also white label the entire platform. You can add your name, your new product name. You can add a logo. You can add your domain. You can create membership levels. You can define what the price of each membership would be, and you can also start selling access for a monthly or yearly fee to other local and online businesses, giving them access to all these AI employees. Or you can select you want to give them access to just a few of these AI employees and charge them a fee. Now, you can also create a custom agent. So you click on custom agent, you give it a name. Let's say we call it Abby. Select the gender. Agent role would be customer support. You can describe the role. The agent will help. You can upload an image and click next. Now you can select the tone. Could be conversational, academic, and then you can create the AI agent. Now you can hire this agent. You can give it basic information. You can select the voice tone, whatever you want the agent to have. You can set from hundreds of tones and you can click on hire. Now, the same way, once the agent is created, you can train the agent and give it all the information that you want. Once the agent is hired, you can see it in your hire section, and the agent now has all the data and all the information about your business or website, and then you can start embedding them on your website. So, to embed an agent, just click on these three dots and click on the embed option. Click on new embed. You can give it a name. You can give it a website URL. You can select the autoresponder if you want people to sign up to get access to autoresponder. You can enable disable payment. You can select if you want people to pay a fee to access or chat to your agent. Now you can customize the theme, make it look the way you want it to look. Then click on embed. Now your embed code is created. You click on this little icon and these are your code and the instructions that's going to work on this specific website only. So this embed code is only going to work on this website. So if your customer or your client stops paying you, you can always simply just disable it like this and it will stop working. So that's what AI Offices does. That's how it works. There's so many use cases, so many different ways you can use this, and you can fully white label it with your own branding, with your own logo, with your own domain, with your own payment processing, and start selling access to different online and local businesses to help them automate their online marketing, their digital marketing, their local businesses. You can even upload files and send files to these staff and ask them questions about them. Now, if you have any more questions, if you need anything, please feel free to reach out to our support team. We'll be happy to help you. Cheers.